Yeah, guys, welcome back to the long-awaited part 2. Uh, okay, so should we start afresh, or because we had covered most of these the types of errors?
I
Uh,
think
I
this
let's
since this says that it's part two continuation, maybe we can just go.
yeah let's
What do you think, Matimejo?
Hmm.
yeah
Oh, sorry, I
because
was still,
this
still
I was
drinking
just
water.
remind.
Uh, is that part two on record though? I mean the part one.
Yeah, it's on
Is
yeah,
YouTube?
I because I did record it. It should be on
Okay,
YouTube.
yeah, we can continue then.
All right, so yeah, uh, yeah. So guys, as you know by now, like for most of our code and projects, we use the browser console to see like if there are any errors or bugs to debug our code. So that is what we will be doing here, using the console to output debugging information and using the console asset to test our functions. So, do you guys know what console asset does? Nzalam,
You were saying, do we?
I mean, can you have you used console asset before? Do you know what? Can
Yeah, I
you
think I
maybe?
did once.
Okay, Madimage.
Yeah,
Have you?
for during the other what was it like with our sessions and all that.
Okay.
There was
Yeah.
this other.
So yeah, yeah. This is another debugging method we can use to test our functions. So like yeah, in this code snippet. So what would we expect here, uh, Madimate, if we were to
Uh,
run this code?
so like it'll let me see. Uh, if,
So like
uh,
yeah, we would get some kind of information in the console which will let us know if this test passes or fails. So this is yeah, you are. It's sort of like in testing. So you assert that if this and this if this condition passes, then it will show you in the in the console that your condition does or it fails. So for instance, here we have x is not equal to y, and then here we have x equal to 5 and y equals to 5. So this should fail, right? So this is what we get on the browser. Assertion failed, x is equal to y. And then yeah, if it's a correct thing, we would expect this to pass,
okay.
which uh, doesn't do anything. But when it fails, you get
Yeah, so that's correct because with console.asset, it will only execute when the first argument is false. That's when we will get the second argument printed there.
yeah,
Mm,
yeah,
yeah.
okay. Uh,
Uh,
so yeah, we will be using console asset also to debug most of. So yeah, we have some functions coming up, and then we'll be debugging using console log, console asset, interpreting what we have in the console, and try to make some functions work.
All right.
Okay, so yeah, another example of console asset. So here we have a function that checks if a number passed in is an even number. So Madimate, what should we expect to be printed for these code snippets?
Then it's going to say 9 is not even. Not 9 is not even.
Okay, yeah.
Session.
So this will fail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Forgot to say.
Yeah. So yeah, 9 is not even. Okay. Okay. So yeah, now we are going to deal with some examples. So as we were discussing the errors, we have syntax error, type error, logic error. So now we will be going through some codes and then finding errors, try to resolve them. So currently here, Nzalama, what kind of error do we have? Or yeah,
Oh,
if there's any.
yeah, is it because we have a missing closing bracket there?
So yeah, so what kind of error is this?
Not, it's not logic, it's not type, it's syntax. Yeah,
Yes.
it must be
So
syntax.
yeah,
Yeah.
so yeah, syntax error. It's just mostly yeah, you just most code editors can detect syntax error. So
Mm.
yeah, Madimage, for
Yeah.
this, what should we expect?
We're going to expect a reference error whereby username is not defined.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Getting safe.
We're not calling the thing. We're not calling.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So reference error is a name not defined. Okay. So yeah, here's another problem. We have a function calculate total, which will calculate the total of items. So like yeah, for each uh, the price of an it will take in the price of an item and the quantity. So this is the code. Uh, what is there anything wrong here? And so what we are expecting is the result to be the price multiplied by the quantity. So is there any error here, Nzalam, or mistake, logical?
Oh, yes, there is. Um, because then our item price is a string 20, then our item quantity, yeah, is it me? Oh,
Okay.
all right. Then our item quantity is three is a number. When I ask is it me, my screen was blank here. So
Oh,
then, and our function there calculate total. I guess it expects expect a price as a number and quantity as a number so that they can be multiplyable. So now since we have a string and a number, those two we can't multiply them together. So the error that we expect it's not syntax, it's not reference, it should be logic unless otherwise.
Yeah, yeah. Now, Madimage, do you agree?
Yes, I agree with
Uh,
him.
It's logic, name and image.
Isn't it gonna? Is it logic or is it gonna be a type thing? Like
Type,
type.
yeah, we're going to get a
type.
type error.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, the
The
type. I
first,
forgot about type.
oh, yeah,
I'm
but
thinking about logic, syntax, and reference. Yeah, type.
mm, uh, yeah,
Yeah.
so not a number.
So not. Oh, so did not get. So I'm not getting
So
So
an error.
is it an error
yeah,
or
but I mean, this is it's
Kind of an
not a
error.
number. Yeah, it's a type of it's a it's an error, type of an error. Uh,
Oh,
so
because we're multiplying two different types.
yeah, so yeah, it is a type error. If we were to have this Madimate, what would
sorry?
you expect?
Uh,
I
I
just
think it's still
used
gonna be the
the
same thing.
okay.
Is it?
Uh,
Yeah.
same thing, same error.
Yeah.
Okay, Zalama, what do you think?
Hey, uh, we dealt with this before. Okay, so now when we multiply, it should do type cohesion. I think it should do type cohesion and convert that string to a number and say 23 and say 20 multiplied by 3. I mean, yeah, I think multiplication. No, there won't be an error now. I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
uh, Madimate, are you saying we're going to get a type error?
Yeah, the name thing.
No.
Nine. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
See,
so
yo.
Oh, yeah, it means I do recall what we
I
went through
remember we
there.
were dealing with this last time.
so sorry.
I remember we
Uh,
were dealing with this one the last time whereby if we have
yeah,
numbers,
Yeah.
just
yeah. So yeah, if it's a number in as a string, yeah, it converts. Yeah, as we had discussed in those sessions. So if you have, yeah, hence that's why I first started with a string like this, because I know that when you have a string as I mean a number as a string, it JavaScript will convert that to yeah, to a number. So
Yes.
uh, yeah, okay, and then now we have this function. Yeah, this function that prints the largest number in an array, given an array.
okay.
Nzalama, do you see any errors or
Okay. So it expects numbers as an
expect
array
an array? Yeah,
of numbers.
an
All
array of
right.
numbers.
Then we have largest being 0. Then we loop through. We let I equals to that, and then as long as I is less than numbers dot length, we increment. Then if numbers at I is greater than largest, then largest equals to numbers I, then we return largest, then const numbers, and 2, 3, 4, then const largest number, const largest numbers, console log, the largest number is largest plus largest number, right? Okay. Length function get largest number from numbers. Okay. Then largest is initialized to 0. Then so let I go to initializing to 0, then we loop through as long as I is less than numerous dot length. How I increment, then if numbers is greater than largest numbers, I close return just one two. Oh, now this no, I can't console.log. The largest number is largest number. And I really can't see anything there.
Okay, Major, can you see anything?
Yeah, I've been looking also, and yeah, I feel like there's no bug error here.
Yeah, I as I was going through it also, I didn't see any bug. I think I may have solved the bug trying to re-engineer the question.
Okay.
uh, okay, yeah. I think here.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's no bug here. So what was
Yeah.
I? Okay, yeah, I will we'll get back to this. I was trying to do something there, but can't seem to. Okay, yeah, we have the Fibonacci. Okay, okay, my image. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, let's debug this code. So we have the Fibonacci function, which takes in a number and then uh, does the operations. So as
Hmm.
yeah, so it should. So for so it's for uh 10 iteration, we are going to console log the result of this Fibonacci function given in integer I.
Okay.
So are you familiar with Fibonacci?
Uh, I I kind of like I don't really remember like what's happening there.
Nzalam, are you familiar with Fibonacci?
Yes. So
Uh,
uh, Fibonacci sequence
yeah.
is a sequence of numbers whereby each number is the sum of the previous two numbers, but but what I want the but on that starting with 0 and having the two ones and having the one and two and
Mm,
3 5 there. Yeah, It's a sequence
Yeah,
of numbers. Number is the sum of two previous two what called previous two numbers.
in
The
the
last two.
sequence.
Yeah, in that sorry, in the
So
sequence. So whereby each number is the sum of the previous two numbers in that sequence.
yeah, yeah. Uh, so yeah. What we would expect here, mathematics. Yeah, is that this function should output a sequence of numbers given in a number. So, do you see any bugs here? If yeah, looking at the code, do you see anything that would throw an error or?
Okay, let me
Uh,
see. Um, First, I'll just change uh, the the conditions to like to be like strict comparison.
okay.
Yeah, and then so any number. So it'll be I. So what it has to return is one, and then then two, then four, then eight.
Uh,
Oh,
okay. So yeah, it would have to return. Okay, for let's say Fibonacci
yeah.
of 4. So this should return what? 1. Uh, so yeah, 1, 1, and then uh, the previous value of the last two items. Yeah, of the last two items in the sequence. So it's the sum of those 1 and 1. The sum of these, which is 3. The sum of these 2, which is 5, and so on. But yeah. Uh,
Okay.
yeah,
3, 1. Zero.
okay.
So I think we have, I don't know, maybe a condition whereby it should, I don't know, from if like it should be like maybe if it's greater, it shouldn't be like less than with our recursion there at the top.
Here,
If we pass like a yeah, if we pass like
as it like else if
now the two conditions at the top.
uh, these conditions n equals
Yeah,
to 0 and 1.
yes,
Okay. Uh,
because if it's a negative number, then
Okay, so let's say like we won't have negative numbers. Just uh, let's make it work for 0 to any number.
Oh, okay, cool. So it's gonna be 0, then it's gonna return 0, 1, return 1, and then 2. Gonna, that one's gonna return 1, and that one's gonna return 0, then return another 1. That's gonna be 1. 3. Yeah, I think it would work. So I'm trying to like write things.
Okay. Zalama, do you see any? Are you saying
So
something, mathematics?
Yeah, let me try and think about it more because hey, I'm trying to like run this like I'm trying to run
Okay.
this thing.
so if
Zalam.
okay, so let me get this clear. So you are saying that function should do what?
So it should return the uh the result of like the so uh
Student.
it should calculate like the did I hit an example the nth like the so if we have
Or the
uh
nth term of the sequence.
yeah
Oh, okay. So if it have to calculate the nth term of a sequence, I don't see an error there.
okay was it clear Madimage? Hey, maybe I may have confused
The
you.
only problem is that for bigger argument,
Yeah,
it may not
3.
execute to run out of time while we still wait or start the step.
Okay, Madimage, the I mean, is it clear what this should do?
Yeah,
Or
yeah. So far,
any
it's giving me
negative?
like the correct thing. I was just writing.
Yeah.
I was just
Uh,
writing what the
yeah.
results.
Zalam, can you mute just
Sorry, I'm sorry.
yeah, you'll unmute when you. So yeah,
Yeah,
just when you are not talking.
it is it is it is proper.
Okay. So
Yeah.
okay. You don't think we will get any errors here?
No, there won't be any errors. Yeah.
So yeah, yeah. And then if we were,
Don't tell me you fixed this as well.
I think, yo, I think I okay.
Don't
I
tell me
think
there was an
we
error, then you fixed it.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. This is
yeah. I think
it,
hey, I may have fixed all the
Oh,
errors here.
what? Okay.
Hey, because yeah, I think here the error was just tricky, but just okay. So if we were if we had this, what would we expect? Would this print out the correct results? Zalam.
No, it will not.
Okay.
Because I was okay.
Yeah, I also because I obviously altered it, something will definitely change.
Yeah, because
So
there when it calls with maybe 0, it will be fine. It will return 0. With 1, it will return 1. But then with 2, it will will end up having stack overflow, because on line number 105 it will call with 2 again and again and again, and never gets to a base case.
yes, yeah, yeah. So yeah, that was the error here. So yeah, it will it will have an infinite. Yeah, uh, it will run infinitely. So this will result in a stack overflow error. So yeah, range error, maximum cost. Yeah. So yeah, as you have explained, Zalam. Madimecha, is it clear? Are you agreeing? Or,
Yeah, it is. It is
okay, yeah, yeah. So this,
because it's just gonna keep on going and going
yeah,
without moving towards the base case, and then yeah.
Yep.
yes, okay. Yes, I hope I didn't solve this one. Yes. Okay, yeah. So now we have a function, get user property, which should return the property of I mean, yeah, the like for user, like we have a user here, and then this function, when you pass it prop, say the prop name, it should return the name of that user. So, Madimecha, how would we go about making this function work? So currently, we have undefined, undefined, undefined. So yeah, what's the first step that you would take to trying to solve this?
You asking me? Oh.
Yeah, yeah, Madimich.
I will first, since prop will have like a value inside of it. I won't say dot prop because it will take prop as a prop, like a property that's already inside that user and it's not defined inside that user object. So I will I will use the bracket.
Uh, how like the square bracket notation? Madimich. Like this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So you think this will print
Yeah.
John Doe 30 in the address? Okay, Zalam, do you agree? Or do you have different?
Can you scroll a big up again? I can't see the whole object. Okay, there we have const user.
Let me
We
see.
have name,
What's
age. We have
what's 3?
name, we have age, we have address, we have right. And then on our function, get user property, and then we take. I also want to print a property, or are
Yeah.
we printing a value? or printing a
No, we are
property.
printing the value given a property.
Oh, get user. Okay, prop there. Then we return user, and then we pass in prop. Yeah, that should be. Oh, that should be fine with the. How about with the nested thing? The nested. Okay. Yeah, that should be. No, with the. Okay.
Madimet, did you guys see this? Because
Yeah, hence I'm thinking
maybe.
about that. I'm thinking about that nested thing there. That
Oh,
nested object. Hmm. So now user load provided.
Madimet, are you aware of this? Are you trying to figure it out there, or you're sticking to this?
Oh, it's out.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, I think
oh,
since we are
he still
debugging,
left.
yeah, I think since we are debugging, let's start with that.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So yeah, that that is what debugging is. Uh,
Yeah,
and see my
yeah,
images.
just keep on checking the backstage. There maybe might come back and then maybe to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I hope because the link usually disappears after this. Okay. Sent.
Okay.
Okay. Madimet, are you back?
Yeah, I was.
Okay. Zalam, think.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
let me just see.
so. Oh, are you back, Madimet?
Yes, yes. My network is also acting up the side, so but like
Should
yeah,
we
I'm
go
back.
on?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we are debugging this function here.
Mhm.
Yes.
So yeah, this is how we are going about it. First, we are trying to see, as you suggested, what this would print. Or
Yeah,
do
let's
you do
see.
you want to change to cater for this?
Now
Um,
let's start with that. Let's start with seeing what that we print.
Yeah, I thought
And take.
maybe if Madimecha had something that is straight to the point.
Oh,
oh, no,
okay.
still thinking about the address dot street. Yeah, well, I'm not.
All
Yeah.
right.
Okay, so this is the result we get.
All right, great. Then
So yeah, so uh, now we have to
now
work
we
with
want to deal.
this.
Yeah, now we want to deal with the other one. So
Yeah.
uh, first, hey, do we first check? Do we first split? Okay, then let's do that and then
Mm.
for that, then we'll do equals to that, then the other one. All right. Okay, so we'll need to do the login. Okay. Name, Jodo, age, 30, address, the street.
Uh, so for me, I think we can check if the string, we can maybe split our strings with the
The dot,
the dot.
the paragraph.
Yeah.
Mm.
So does anyone have an objection there? So maybe say the new prop is equals to prop dot split there by the dot. Then let's see what the new prop is. Are we still together, guys?
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. So we converted so each input will be converted into an array if it's separated by a dot. Yeah, the array will have uh, this row. Okay, yeah, now we have this. Madimecha, can we work with this? How can we try to use our arrays to get the properties? Is Madimecha still here?
Yo, it's
So
gone.
we can maybe
Oh,
have
Oh, it's back.
if statement. Can you hear me?
Madimecha. Yes, you were saying?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we can
Maybe
hear
if we
you.
could have if statement check the length of our thing, the length of our like the properties. If it's the length is equals to 2.
Equals to 2.
Yeah, then
Let's
we
say,
will
just we could have another what?
like
Um,
it could be more nested.
yeah,
Okay.
this, yeah. So maybe if we were to look for state also, so yeah, it could get worse. So, yeah. So you're saying if
Okay. If now don't do I need the hey that's tricky. Can you hear me too, Azizu?
yeah, I can hear you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, now I'm trying to think now.
Okay. Um, Nzalama.
Of listing those things. So, nah.
Okay, so I was thinking maybe. So if we have the first one, if we have the length is 1, I think this will work, right? Otherwise, so if not, if it's greater than 1, I was suggesting that we take the array. I mean we take the array from the second element till the last one, and then we reduce them to a single string separated by uh, full stops. Does it make sense? Or is there a different suggestion?
Wait. Can you repeat that again? I didn't understand. Like you were
Well,
saying.
I was saying, so like we have an array of the array that we have here,
Mhm.
which like this. So if the array length is 1, as in like for this one, for the first one, they will have a length of 1 because the name. So that if we were to return this, it would be the correct thing. But then if it's greater than 1, I was suggesting that we take the first element of the array. The first element, we remove it from the array and put it here. And then we take the rest of the elements, if there are more, and then those elements since it's an array, we will reduce them to a single string separated by dots, and then join it here.
Okay.
So
To a single string.
so let's debug this. I guess we should continue trying to. So else here, if so, say the prop new prop dot length is, if it's greater than 1, then we let's test it with hard-coded values. Let's try to use this one. Let's say if it's equals to 2. Are you guys with me?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm with you.
Okay, let's try to make this console print the correct answer by just hard coding. What would we code? So what should we log to print out the address.street user?
What should we log
To print out the address, the street address of the user. So now we are like dealing with so it like the values after the dot. Let's just write it as is, just to see if okay. So like, because now we are looking for the street address, we write street street, right? So what do we expect this to print? The street address. We agree. Nope. Oh, sorry. No, this is length is 2. Guys, we still together.
No, new prop. User, then inside the brackets, let's have Not new prop 1.
Oh,
New prop 0. New prop at index 0 0.
I also here. Yeah. Okay, so we do get the street undefined.
Oh, the function
But
is returning.
how about we pop
Oh,
the
correct
first
one. So,
maybe like
So
we shift it, we shift, and then we can be able to
yeah.
like reduce the array on its own.
Okay, so here,
Uh, inside inside the inside the if statement.
if inside the if,
Oh, did we change new prop? Okay.
so currently we have this. So
Oh,
yeah, you were suggesting that we change. We shift to get like the first prop. Okay, is it something like this? Prop 1, let's say, is equals to the prop dot shift. Madimit. Yes, are you still there, Madimit? Dalama? Anyone? Am I alone?
no, I'm here, Madimech. I muted there.
Oh, yeah.
You are muted. You are on mute.
Okay, Nzalam. Do
Yeah.
you think? Yeah, I think this is this approach that Madimecha was suggesting, like to get the first prop.
No, I think so too.
Yeah. Oh, but here now we want. So for if the prop had one item, we wouldn't have. We won't have this. So say. Madimate, are you still there? Yeah, okay. Yeah. Nzalam, do you think this code will change anything from in our results?
No, it won't.
Okay, yeah, I don't think so either. Okay. Yeah. Street. Oh, no, the street is not an object. Yeah, something is wrong here. We are telling the address. Sorry?
Because yeah, that's correct because remember when we shift on line number 126, the length will change now. It will be 1, so it won't execute that if statement. It will go straight to 131.
I I didn't guess that. So you're saying if
So
here.
when we shift on line number 126,
Yeah.
we are removing one value from new prop.
Yeah.
So we had two values. We had two values. we're removing one. We are left with one. Now the
which
length
is
of new
straight.
prop. Now the length of new prop is no longer 2.
2. Okay.
It's
Oh yeah.
1 now because we removed 1. Yeah, so hence.
Yeah. Let's see. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Good idea. Okay, and then Muddy Mitch. I think he will be joining. Okay.
There's my network. Sorry, guys. Yo.
Yeah, no problem.
So yeah, we are still on this problem.
Yours is better because quick.
Yeah, so Muddy Mitch, this is where we are now. We are getting the street. So yeah, so going forward, how would we get this value to be dynamic? Is it possible?
Before we try to get it, before we try to get it dynamical, can we try and access access state there, address area state?
Address the area.
Yeah, without straight, I think address area is not inside straight. Online,
Address.
no, online number one.
This address area.
Removing straight there.
Okay.
Then changing online number 123. Then changing online number 123. Changing street, and then how can we access state? Line number 129. 129.
Okay, yeah. Then we use area.
Dot area dot without street.
Yes, the area. Address. Yeah, this dot area.
Yeah, you undid, and the street is back on line 136 as well. Yeah.
So it's like this. Yeah. Okay.
Starting the same.
Yeah. Hey.
I'm like, yeah,
Okay. Yeah, we are getting the state. Marimecha, are you still here?
Yeah.
I guess he will play catch up. Okay, yeah, this still works. So how would we make these? How would we get these from the array?
I just wanted to see, when does the hey,
Oh,
can you
let's
hear
test
me?
out
The
Yes,
is
I can hear you. Yes, Dalam. You wanted to see? Zalam.
it's not like
Yeah. Are you still there, Zalam? Because I can hear you properly, but it seems like you can't hear me. Let's try me. Zalam, can you hear me?
yeah, like there's a very huge delay.
Yeah, because now I'm on Meet. I think on StreamYard there's a delay of some sort.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, yes, I'm able to hear you. I think you're the one
thulasizwe.
who's not hearing.
Yo,
Oh,
and once my network start acting up, gosh.
Zalam,
Yeah, ne.
you? Why it's even
I
on
am,
you?
I am here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm on mute now. I think it could
Thulasizwe.
be my. Oh,
Yes, I can. Can you hear me on your side?
I can hear you.
Yeah, surely there is a very huge delay.
Yeah,
Gosh,
So
I hope it's not my network acting up again.
yeah, because on
Oh,
my
I
side
lost
I
my
can clearly
connection.
hear you.
Damn.
Yeah.
God, 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 God. Ah, damn.
Marimecha, are you back?
yes, I am back. Because yeah, even on my
Okay.
side, it's
Now we seem to be losing Zalam. Yeah, it's seen
so you're
Zalam as
still
also.
so you were saying you wanted to make
Yeah.
the whatever's in the string to make it like more dynamic.
So yeah, we want to have something like this when there are more properties.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, first I wanted to see maybe if this would work. Say maybe area is equals to area, and then because we will be getting the values as strings from uh, the array separate. Okay, yeah, because I suggested that we reduce the array, the remaining array to a string separated by uh, dots, full stops. Yeah, so should be area dot state, and then here we use a. So do you think this would work? Let's see.
Uh, Now it's gonna be undefined code.
Okay.
Yeah, because with the like it's like we want to declare variables from like the string. So I don't know.
uh,
Let me see. And then let me conductor prop.
so we have this array.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now because we shifted, we no longer have address. We have this.
yes, and then we're
Yeah.
gonna
So
say what join with dots.
yeah, I was suggesting that we join it dot and then use it here. But then yeah, now I don't think it will work
Oh,
as you
is
as
that
yeah, it will be a string. Uh were you saying something?
in Zalam is
Marimecha? Oh, oh,
sorry. Yeah,
Hey,
and
yeah.
please,
You
Zalam,
were saying
my network is acting up again. Can you hear me now?
yeah, yeah, can hear you. So Nzalam,
Oh, all right. No, when before I got cut, I was saying I wanted to just to see how when does the dot thing start to take effect, since when we have only two properties we are unable to use dot address, we were unable to use dot address dot street, but we are able to use the bracket to access the address, and then the dot to access the another property, and then another dot to access another property. So I just wanted to see that what call uh The word ran away.
You mean you wanted to see how far we can go with
Yeah.
how deep you can go inside?
Can't find the word here.
Can you hear me, Zalam?
That not that connection. That
Yeah. Marimecha is still
yeah, we using the
Yeah,
dots and
yes.
the dots, the bracket.
Uh,
okay. So given this array, how
mhm.
would we, yeah, how would we use these values to access the properties of user? These array values.
Isn't it possible to do the joining like right inside like the if statement, like right there,
Uh, Here,
like
in
instead
here,
of like assigning, yeah, like no, like right after user property,
like
then
this. So something like this.
yeah, yeah, then
Uh,
say I'm not sure it's gonna be possible.
Saying what?
Then dot the array join with the dots.
Yes. Uh, Array.
Yes,
Yeah. So
that are what's the name of the array?
this is the array.
Yeah,
And then is this what you're saying?
yeah. I don't know if
Oh,
that's possible.
no. Yeah. It will take the array as a property of uh, the user.
Because that's gonna try and call it as a function. No,
Trying to call it as a function.
let me see. No, this is not impossible, ne? I mean, this is not
Uh,
possible.
a const props is equals to uh, 10. And then here we say no. Let's see. Like, is this the suggestion? Okay, that also won't work. That image.
I'm not sure if you can hear me. Can you hear me, thulasizwe?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I think you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I was saying, you see with that array, the first one, not the function one, the first one with the
Yeah,
array.
yeah.
Yeah, like I thought it was gonna work, but like nah, because the user dots array is gonna do something else. It's not gonna use
Yeah.
the value of the array. Eh,
And then
eh.
uh, okay, so how do we go about this? I think Zalama not here. Okay. My suggestion. Yo, yeah, no, I think we should use for loop, a while loop,
Mm-hmm.
and then so let's say in here while uh, so the array, so while array, no, uh, let's say let I is equals to 0. No, array dot length. So while I is greater than 0, we would yes. Yeah,
because like you wanna those square brackets also like keep on. So like, hey,
yeah. So my idea was that so for the this loop will run, and then for the first iteration it should get this. Okay, yeah, I think we can have a value here. Let the result equals to okay, should it be an object? Yeah, maybe an empty object. And then here we say I was thinking we access, so initially it should access the user dot
the first
prop one, and then
I.
yeah. So
And then,
initially, are you saying something?
oh, no, like I wanted to. I was following.
Oh, oh
Yeah.
yeah. I was saying for the first one, I was thinking maybe it prints. I mean, it we say result is equals to, okay. Oh yeah. Does this work? So we say result is equals to the first property that we are in,
Yeah. Okay.
which is yeah. So now meaning we accessing
Yo, thulasizwe, can you add Nzalama quick?
okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, Allah.
Yeah, can.
Sorry,
Welcome
Nzalama.
back to
No,
my
no,
YouTube channel.
I'm not asking anything because the stream will be full of the question. Let's just carry on. I should have opened again my network here. Okay,
Okay, yeah, so yeah, we are still fighting with this thing here, trying to get the values. So
okay.
so currently we were discussing this approach of using a while. So we want to use a while loop. So while yeah, say yeah, while I is greater than 0, increment again. So while it's greater than 0, we let rest will be equals to the first property that we get. And then so I think I should say props. So yeah, prop dot no prop at array I. No, guys, can you?
Okay.
So
Can you
yeah,
scroll? Can you scroll a bit up there on our thing? You classes.
yeah,
All right. So okay, here's what I think. I think maybe online number. Uh, okay, line number 126. Maybe instead of having maybe okay, prop one is fine. Then let's have another another. No, but I did not want many props. But let's just have another one just after prop one. For now, you can just call it prop two. So for prop two, let's have it be user and then open bracket and then we access that prop one. Yeah, then let's have a let there. Let prop 2 equals to that. Let prop 2 equals to that, and then on our length there, in our while there, in our if statement, line number 135, the if statement, if prop dot length greater than let I equals to array dot length, fine. Then we can get rid of that result for that, the result only for now. And then yeah, while I is greater than 0, then prop 2 plus equals to, we add dot and then the array. No, actually instead of having I being equals to length, let's have I be equals to 0 there. Then we will say while I is less than, yeah, it can have, instead of using array, let's use new prop there. New prop dot length, as long as it's less than new prop dot length, then we add that thing to the prop 2 plus equals to the dot and the
Will
dot
that
inside.
be a string?
I'm
Because
not sure.
if it's a string, I don't think it will work.
Oh,
We tried using.
oh, oh, oh God, they don't have to be the thing. Oh, damn. Okay. All right. Uh, hey.
So yeah, yeah, I think you gave us a good start here. So prop 2, I think that we can use it here. So
Yeah,
prop
that
2.
was just for keeping our shift there. Must the measure is gone.
Oh yeah, I think yeah. Let's he'll join as we go on. So yeah, so initially we have our result as being prop 2, ne? And then while I,
Okay.
yeah, is less than this and this. How about we say let let's yeah another one another let. So uh how about, yeah, we say r is equals to prop 2. Oh yeah, prop 2 with new prop. Oh no, at array I.
New prop.
What is new? Yeah, new prop is the array, ne?
We did not need
So
that.
array,
We did not need the
yeah,
array.
this is just
Okay.
visualization. And this, yeah, mm, say r is equals to prop 2 at this.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see.
No, that is too vague. That don't work.
Oh, this r should be here, ne?
Yeah,
Okay.
let me the chat. In the saying is backstage there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Oh, so yeah, we said the rest is prop 2, ne? And then why am I not using rest here? No. This should be the result. Hey, are you following, Zalam? I think I'm getting a bit. I see this, but I think I'm missing something. Okay, let's see what the output is. Wait, wait, wait. Let's do this.
I won't get there because I think the problem there it means okay, r equals to res, then inside res, what will be res? What will be property two? Then open, because if we have to use the brackets, those brackets should be inside the brackets that are, yeah, should be inside the user brackets there, instead of the brackets coming after the closing bracket of user.
The brackets.
I think, okay, you see on line number
Here.
127. Yeah. So what we
Yeah.
have now, it means after the closing bracket, we have another opening bracket whereby we're accessing another property. Hence, it does not work. Instead, the bracket was supposed to be.
Zalam, sorry, yeah,
Yeah.
you're too fast. You're saying here we are
Yes.
accessing prop one.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, what we are doing on line number 134 is after the closing bracket on line number 127, we are opening another bracket and trying to access another property. But how it should be, it must be in such a way that uh, property that we are trying to access on line number 134, the bracket should be inside the user brackets on line number 127. So the bracket should be after prop one. So prop one, then we open bracket, then we access the property which is inside prop one, which is inside user.
Yeah, no, I did not
I
get
think.
that.
Okay, all right. Okay, let's okay. For now, let's comment out line 129 to line number 138.
To 138. Okay. The
Okay.
if.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then okay. Then now when we run that, we get the whole object with the whole object of address ne, with
Yeah.
with street and everything. So
Yeah.
if on line number 139 after the closing bracket, if you open another bracket
Another one.
and maybe try to access street, I don't think we'll be able to access street using that method, which is what we are doing on line number 134.
Oh, so yeah. What I was
So
trying to do
you
here.
can try. Yeah, okay.
Bonus alarm. So
Yeah.
what I was trying to do here, since res we are saying it equals to this prop, we know that this prop,
It's
this
user.
thing will evaluate to
Yes.
this, to an object.
Yes, yes.
So I got here with the mentality of with that mentality that the prop 2 is an object now. So prop 2 is an object, so we can access the we can use the square bracket to access prop 2. Yeah, so okay, yeah, let's console log this.
Okay.
Let's see, and then okay. Defined.
Yeah, you see, so that's the thing that I'm saying, that
Yeah,
though it's the
you.
same thing as I was trying to point out there, that though is the object, but the way in which you are doing it, how are we doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Could it be? Oh, if we were to do this.
Matimecha, you were saying?
Like you see, with rest, we're gonna first have the correct prop. Oh, we are not. Oh, like I was saying. Wait, prop two is equal.
I think if we can try to deal with this.
Yeah, then street must be inside the quotation marks if you want to use the square bracket.
Like this. See?
Yeah, if you want to use that. Yeah.
Yeah, then yeah, I think the approach I was trying to take could work.
Oh, before can you change 131 back to how it was, whereby we had rest equals to prop two instead of the spreading instead of having the spread.
Yeah,
Okay.
still works.
Hmm.
Yeah, okay. So now we have this. So yeah, the idea is that when we if this so we will have a rest. Oh yeah, something that will have temporary the so we want to store the object that we get from here. If it's an object, we want to store it in temp. Ne? And then
Hmm.
uh, or should we say temp is equals to this object? Yeah.
Okay.
And
Can I ask you?
this is this prompt. Yeah, yes.
Like, are we writing like a function whereby it's gonna be able to, like, no matter the structure of our object is, we will be getting, like, as long
Yeah.
as, like, no matter
How
if
nested
any property
the
is passed to in the function, we should be able to, like, access the value of that property. Is
yeah.
this? Oh, okay.
Yeah, so here my approach was that maybe like since we have the array with new props as an array which has all these props. So for each prop we would say like for the first prop, okay, yeah, the first one is covered with prop 2. So for the second prop we're going to access uh the result. We're going to access the first string that we have in property name. So we're going to access the property of result. And then yeah, uh how about this? So guys, are you still there? Uh,
Yebo.
oh yeah, so how about we do it so in such a way that when we have this prop at I when increment. Yeah, so it will say for the first one, it's prop. This should, I think if we visualize the data, this will return this, prop
Mm-hmm.
2. Is that, yeah, no, prop 2 will return the street. Sorry,
No, that's the
it's address area. Oh, yeah, it's address.
yeah,
Okay.
that's
Yeah,
that all.
yeah. So prop 2 will have this. So when we get here, for the first one, so our array will be this. Okay, this is our array. So yeah, this one is covered, and then so now when I is 0, we have area. So here it will access the area of the result, and then when it comes again, now result will be equals to the area, and then it will access the following one, which is state.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was trying to like think of the same. I don't know, like same thing whereby we just keep on overriding, but I didn't know how we can like keep on accessing like properties within whatever we have.
now let's
Yeah,
see.
then you have to change the 138 there to
138
rest. Everything should be rest.
press. Even this, yeah.
Yeah,
No,
that can be
if
prop.
prop 2.
Yeah, because at the end we're gonna end up with a value.
So, but you can leave it as
For now, let's do this. Just to see. Yeah, okay. You get this. All right, yeah. Yeah, that's the correct. Yeah, it's this thing. Okay. Yeah, I think now we can just deal with the logic of the flow, because we are getting there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just make this work, the whole thing. Uh, okay, so
no, to make it work is to return that commented line on line 140. We need that line because those are
okay.
the ones.
Yeah, for this one we will return if it's less than, so we'll return prop 1.
Yeah, we'll return user
Prop two.
Prop 2.
prop 2.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
And then
we'll return prop 2, I think.
let's see.
Eh,
Yeah.
Can we
What's
go?
the undefined for? Oh, area. Address
Yeah.
street area. What have I done here? Is there such a thing? Yeah, address street area. Address area state. Yeah, this is the one throwing an error.
No, that's fine.
It's address
Yeah, it was the one that you
area
got.
state.
Yeah,
Address area state. Oh, yeah. So yeah,
yeah.
this works. Yeah, but now, hey, we chowed a lot of time here. Yeah. Yeah, objects are always tricky. So, yeah, I think are we satisfied with this? I know I am.
Hey, somebody, I need to practice objects.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
you say
Huh?
no, I was saying I did get that.
Yeah, yeah, like the one where we like accessing like the values of a property.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just like but
Oh,
it was showing us frames.
are you fine?
Let me see.
Madimate?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, I
I'm
was
good.
asking if. Oh, okay.
I'm good because like
Because.
let me see.
Or should I continue? I will move. should I move forward, guys? You still
Yeah, I think we can move forward.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, here's another function to debug. Means, okay, yeah. So we have a function here, match sort. This function takes in an array. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Yes.
hear you.
Oh, the silence is too loud. Okay, yeah. It takes in an array and then sorts the array. Okay, yeah. So this is how we call the function with an array, and then the results should be a sorted array. But yeah, I'm not sure what because this seems a bit much. I think I'm missing something. I had something hidden somewhere. Okay, yeah. So let's try to make this array work. I mean, this sort. So we are sorting an array to return. So the expected result here is an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Using a merge sort algorithm.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the function make sort, and then this is supporting function for match sort. Yeah. So yeah, what this function does is take in an array, and then to return a sorted array. So can we spot any? Yeah. So the aim here is to try and spot any errors or logical errors, syntax, or anything that would make this function go wrong. Apparently, sure. Yeah, I solved this. Yes. Okay. Yeah. No. Let's skip this. It was long anyway. Because yeah, I already solved this one. I was now I will take more time trying to uh, replicate the bugs that were there. So I think just keep it. We'll do it some other day.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, now here we have a function person, and then so yeah, this is a code, and then we are trying to say hello. Uh, so what's expected here is Hello, my name is John. I am this age.
Can we see the current output first before
Yo,
before
no,
the,
I want I
you
want
did not
us to
solve this
spot
one?
I want us to
Oh,
spot errors first before we can
oh,
see.
no, I just wanted us to avoid checking whereas you have already solved it.
Oh no, no, I didn't
All
solve
right,
this.
all right. Okay. So, we need a constructor there, and then hey, I'm on classes now. Hey, you are.
Oh, that's a
Hey,
that's
you
a
could be right. So this is so there's something wrong here. Something is wrong with this code.
Mm.
Yes.
Also, I can be right in there.
Yeah, you can be right.
Because I see that function we don't. The property type thing.
Madimage,
Is it
you can
possible we
be
can
right.
change that function to a class, or is it?
Yeah,
Do we
that is possible.
have? Okay, then
So
we can.
yeah, what you are trying to do is to get this output.
Eh? Oh, trying to get this output.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So we're gonna change that function to a class and then go person.
plus
And then we're gonna remove those parameters and then have them set in a like a constructor.
constructor. Okay, like this.
Yeah. Yes, and
Nzala.
then
Oh, sorry. You
oh,
sing, and then
and then we're gonna have like the instead of like this function being outside the person thing, we're
no,
gonna
we want to use this approach. We're
oh
not moving the function. Yeah.
okay. Hey.
Yeah, yeah, but that's another. Okay,
Very cool.
so,
Yeah, but like I think can this work? Yeah, I think this can still work. Okay. Hmm. Then
Okay. Do you agree, Nzala?
yeah, I think let's John dot say new person John function. Doubting that function thing there, but yeah, let's give it a run. Let's give it a run and see.
okay.
That is correct.
Oh, can you undo the to how to its original version there?
Okay. Function here.
Yeah, you just
Yeah.
The constructor
first.
like this.
Mm.
Then that also works.
You see,
Hey.
I mean, as I said, let's because it seems like we did not fix anything.
Yeah, we did.
As I was
Because
asking, can we run first so that we see if there is an error?
All right, Thulasizwe, you were busy, man. You were very busy.
yo. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's like I just went through them and just yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't think. Hey, first things first.
Can we run it first before?
Yeah. First things first. Okay. This. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we have a function square which returns the square of a number. So whatever number we put in here, it will be squared. The result will be the square of that number. So
Hmm?
I'm saying
Okay.
we have a function here. So
All right.
it will
All
have
right.
whatever number is passed here, it will be squared. And then here we have a function called calculate sum of squares, which takes in an array and returns the sum of the squares of the array elements.
Okay.
And then this results should be equal to the sum of the squares of these values.
Okay.
Yeah. So any error spotted?
So this function is currently displaying none.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
I
So let's start by squaring there on line 202.
line 202.
It's fine. It's fine. That's fine. I wanted us to change and use the two, but it's fine.
Yeah, no, this is also correct.
Okay. Function calculate sum of squares numbers. It's then for it I 0 minus down capital. Oh, okay. Sorry. So on line 207, we need to remove that equals to sign less than or equal to, and they have less than. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah, then we are done.
yeah, very much. You agree?
yeah, I didn't. Yeah. Okay, now I see. Because now I wasn't seeing any.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That smaller nyana back.
Okay, can we run? Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now we have this function which calculates the discounted price given a price and the discount percentage. Did I set this?
Yeah, can we see?
Okay. Yes. I'm not sure how I managed to solve all this without resetting them to. Because yes, yeah, I was going through them and then I just wanted to see if they were solvable before I could put them here. But then uh, I guess this is the end of the session because I have not prepared any more. Uh, so
All right. All right. Yeah, then for those who will be watching,
yeah,
who will be watching later, then part one is there on the channel. They I can check it out first to see the types of errors and what we discussed on part one, and then I guess.
you're saying something, Zalam. You got cut off.
Am I breaking?
Yeah. You're saying for those who will
No,
be watching.
no, I
Yeah,
was
what's
saying for
happening?
our audience, for those who will be watching the recording later, we should check part one of the
Uh,
recording first before coming to this part two.
yeah, uh, it's there. So I
Yeah.
guess stay with
Yeah, I said it professional this time. So just because he didn't get that, I was like, oh, God, I lost my energy there being
Oh,
professional.
okay. Yeah. For those who'll be watching, part one was also recorded and is available on YouTube. Yeah, thank you guys. I'm ending the broadcast.